Level Bolt Smart Deadbolt, the ultimate discreet. Smart lock review. If you're looking for a smart lock that doesn't look like a smart lock, the Level Bolt Smart Deadbolt might be the perfect solution. Unlike bulky smart locks that replace your entire deadbolt, this innovative device hides inside your existing hardware, keeping your door's traditional appearance while adding keyless convenience. But is it the right choice for your home? In this in-depth review, we'll break down its key features, performance, pros, and cons, helping you decide if this is the smart lock upgrade you've been waiting for. Key features and benefits. Invisible smart lock. No change to your door's look. The Level Bolt replaces only the internal mechanism of your existing deadbolt, meaning no bulky keypads or external hardware. This is ideal for homeowners who want smart functionality without altering their door's appearance. Consumer problem solved. If you live in an HOA or prefer a traditional look, this lock keeps your aesthetics intact while adding smart features. Works with existing keys and hardware. Unlike most smart locks that require a full replacement, the Level Bolt integrates with your current deadbolt and keys. No need to rekey your locks or change your exterior hardware. Consumer problem solved. No hassle of redistributing new keys to family members or service providers. Keyless entry via Level app and Apple HomeKit. Control your lock remotely via the Level Home app, iOS and Android, or through Apple HomeKit with a compatible hub. You can unlock from anywhere. Share digital keys with trusted users. Use Siri voice commands for hands-free control. Consumer problem solved. Never worry about lost keys again. Grant temporary access to guests or service providers with just a tap. Secure and reliable. ANSI Grade 1 security. The Level Bolt features a 6-stage stainless steel gearbox, exceeding industry security standards. It's designed to resist forced entry while maintaining smooth operation. Consumer problem solved. Stronger than many traditional deadbolts, ensuring your home stays secure. Long battery life, up to 1 year. Powered by a CR2 battery hidden inside the bolt, the Level Bolt lasts up to 12 months on a single charge. Consumer problem solved. No frequent battery changes, just reliable performance. How it compares to other smart locks. Most smart locks, like August, Yale, or Schlage, require full deadbolt replacements, often with bulky external keypads or Wi-Fi hubs. The Level Bolt stands out because it's completely hidden, no visible smart lock components. Works with double-cylinder deadbolts, a rarity in smart locks. No need to replace keys or exterior hardware, ideal for renters or historic homes. However, it lacks a built-in keypad, sold separately, and does not natively support Google Assistant or Alexa, though some users report unofficial Alexa compatibility. Potential drawbacks and mitigations. Installation challenges, bore hole size and compatibility. Some users report issues with door compatibility, especially in older homes. The Level Bolt requires a 2 1/8 inch bore hole, which may not match older deadbolts. Mitigation. Measure your door before purchasing. If needed, a locksmith can enlarge the hole. No built-in keypad, sold separately. Unlike competitors, the Level Bolt does not include a keypad. You must buy the Level keypad, $9.99 for code entry. Mitigation. If keypad access is essential, factor in the additional cost. Bluetooth only requires hub for remote access. Without an Apple Home hub, like an Apple TV or HomePod, remote access is limited to Bluetooth range, approximately 30 feet. Mitigation. Pair it with a HomeKit hub for full remote control. Cold weather battery issues. Some users report keypad failures in freezing temperatures due to alkaline batteries. Mitigation. Use lithium batteries for better cold weather performance. Who should buy this? Homeowners who want a discreet smart lock, no visible tech. Renters, since it doesn't alter the exterior lock. Apple HomeKit users, best integration. Those with double-cylinder deadbolts, rare smart lock compatibility. Want to see if this fits your door? Click the link in the description to check compatibility and current pricing. Final verdict: is the Level Bolt worth it? Pros: invisible smart lock, keeps traditional look. Works with existing keys and double-cylinder deadbolts. Strong security, ANSI Grade 1. Long battery life, 1 year. Cons: requires 2 1/8 inch bore hole. May need modifications. No built-in keypad. Extra purchase needed. Limited smart home support. Best with Apple HomeKit. Final recommendation: if you value discretion, security, and Apple Home integration, the Level Bolt is a fantastic choice. However, if you need Google, Shunch, Alexa support, or a built-in keypad, consider alternatives like August or Yale. Ready to upgrade your lock? Click the link below for the best deal and see why so many homeowners love the Level Bolt.